Alright, next up on the air conditioner saga, I guess, is this old Amana unit that I picked up today. I picked it up for 40 bucks off Marketplace. I figured this may work in the garage. I don't know though. We're going to see. I think it might actually work in here. It's small enough it might fit in that window, so we will see. But anyway, it's an Amana with the push button controls, which is actually kind of childhood to me. And it has a thermostat. And it's got the original grill still. It is kind of dirty, I will admit. I want to clean it up before I put it in use anywhere, but it looks like it'll clean up pretty good. Like a lot of this is coming off pretty easily, so it shouldn't be too bad. But anyway, it's an 8,600 BTU, uses 8.3 amps. It's model 9P2MB. Yeah, I know it's dirty as hell right now, but I don't know why this is such a complicated thing to put on. It really shouldn't be. Yeah, whatever, we don't need it. But yeah, it's in pretty good shape. It needs cleaned up, obviously. The back of it could probably use a fin coil straightener. But other than that, not bad. I mean, I'm pretty sure this uses R22. I mean, why would it not? It definitely looks like it would. Yeah, well, before I do anything, I'm going to obviously have to clean it up and replace this plug because it's not in the greatest shape. But it should be good enough for a quick video. We got it hooked up to the kilowatt meter here. See what it does. Oh, this actually might work in the garage. It's got a pretty powerful fan in it. High cool dual. Turn on the I heard a kick. Oh yeah, it's very quiet. Yeah, this thing runs pretty nice. Good cleaning, and this would be a good unit to keep around. Starting to get cold. What are the amps? We're drawing 5.6 amps on medium, 663 watts. This is actually less than what it's rated for. Starting to get cold. I think this is a pretty good score. Now it's getting really cold. I'm sure after I clean it up soon, it'll be working a lot better. But right now, it ain't bad. Pulling heat. Not very much, but it could be because it's dirty. I don't think I did too bad on this. Oh yeah, it's starting to get really cold now. Now it's drawing 753 watts and 6.4 amps. Still drawing under spec on amps. So hey, I think this is a good find. It's got one of those vents in here. It's starting to cool off. Yeah, I think they did pretty good on this. Thermostat works. I think I did pretty good on this. Definitely could have done a lot worse. Yeah, this doesn't want me to go back on right now. Yeah, whatever. But there you go. There's the Amana 8000 BTU air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.